This video is to go over how to write a rational expression based off of a graph, and so really making sure that you can identify key pieces of information that you will need to be able to write the most simplified rational expression that's possible for the graph. So we're going to first start off by drawing our fraction bar to separate the numerator and the denominator, and then I always like to start with our vertical asymptotes. So here we have a vertical asymptote at +2, and so therefore in my denominator I will need the factor of x minus 2. The next thing that we need to do is take a look at our wholes. We have one whole here at x equals 10, and remember when you have a whole, that's where the factor in the numerator cancels out with the factor in the denominator. So you can see that I'm going to go ahead and write that factor x minus 10 in both. The next thing that I want to do is take a look at my x-intercepts and my horizontal asymptotes. You can see that I have a x-intercept at -5, and so therefore I will need that factor to go in my numerator. So I'm going to have a factor of x plus 5 in the numerator. The last thing to do is to check my 3 rules on horizontal asymptotes, and I see that I have a horizontal asymptote at at y equals 1, so I will need to make sure I follow those 3 rules in making that happen. So in order to have a horizontal asymptote that is not along the x-axis, I need to make sure that my highest degree in the numerator and in the denominator are equal. And so if we take a look at my current situation, in my numerator I have a highest degree of 2, and in my denominator I have a highest degree of 2 as well. So they are equal as of right now. So what I would need to do is divide the leading coefficients, and my leading coefficients are both 1 and 1. So therefore this rational expression that I have here is the most simplified form for the equation of this graph.